Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to rename a file in Google Drive. Renaming files is a simple way to stay organized and make your documents easier to find. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and log into your account. Locate the file you want to rename by browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top. Next, click on the file. From the menu that appears, select Rename. A small text box will open with the current name highlighted. Type in a new name you would like to give your file. Make sure it's descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. Once you are finished, press Enter on your keyboard or click OK to save the changes. If you already have the file open, you can also rename it directly from the document. For example, in Google Docs, click on the title in the top left of the screen, type in a new name and it will update instantly in your drive. Renaming files regularly helps keeps your Google Drive tidy, especially if you're managing multiple projects, sharing with others, or working with different versions of the same document. If you found this helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.